Greetings and welcome back to The Pride. My name is Muphasa or Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help you catch the momentum. And today we're looking at EVGO. That's right. We did it again. If you're new to the channel, smash that like and subscribe button because out here in The Pride, we continue to dominate. We're averaging 1 home run a week every single week, and the streak continues. This time, we hit our home run on EVGO, ticker symbol EVGO. The momentum series is geared towards all of my day traders and swing traders. So if you are in the market chasing that momentum, this is definitely the place for you. However, if you're a long-term investor, click the link above and that'll take you straight to our due diligence. With that said, we kick this off as always with the catalyst. Yesterday, I listened to the EVGO earnings call. I'm a big fan of EVGO. I use their chargers for my BMW i3. But the earnings was super good. Accelerating growth on soaring EV demand. But the big thing was the revenue was up 90% year over year. EVGO has been in the business for over a decade and they are amazing fast charging network. But the big thing here that got me interested in taking this play, revenue rose 90% year over year, reaching 9.1 million. The network throughput reached 10.1 gigawatts. 66% increase compared to last year. And they are now just under 500,000 new in customers. And that is big. As the EV trend continues to grow, EVGO is well positioned to dominate. I saw this and I was ready to go all in. And that's it. Catalyst. Simba's trial is my smallest portfolio, and I made it public to show people that small money grows. I started this portfolio with $200, and my goal is to hit 100K on this portfolio, and then I might just start from zero all over again. Anybody can make money in the market, but to be consistent, it requires information, grit, and a lot of patience. We have that in abundance. If you would like to join our family, click on the link in the bio and come rock with us. We would love to have you. Simba's Trial is a portfolio on Instagram. With that said, I'm going to show you guys how we got in and what we were able to do to dominate this particular play. I had a conversation with Cowboy Trader earlier today about meme stocks. I have very low tolerance for meme stocks. I've never bought AMC or GameStop before, but I do know that since GameStop is outperforming the market, AMC as well, there is money to be made. So I'm thinking of like starting some type of YOLO portfolio or something like that. But I digress. We were able to hit the home run, and we do this consistently because we have a formula that we follow. In the Pride, I always post the catalyst, why I'm getting in, when I'm getting in. All of this was yesterday. I jumped into EVGO, the $9 call expiring next Friday. I also played BITF and a bunch of other things. I played TEL as well. And in 5 minutes, I was up 20%. And as always, whenever I make money in the market, I take profits and I leave the house's money to run, removing all of the emotions out of the trade, and I can just let that thing ride. So at 30%, I started taking profits, and I would have hit the home run on my PLTR puts, but I saw it go up and I just got out at 50%. I would have loved to make that video. But anyways, when I got up to 45%, I sold everything that I had and I was holding literally one contract into today. Today was a big day because the CPI print was going to come out. If the CPI print was bad, this trade would have been really bad, and that's why I couldn't hold more contracts because I didn't know the future. Towards the end of the day, I was pretty confident that we were going to have a decent CPI print. It wasn't good. We haven't defeated inflation, but it wasn't bad, and the market was super bullish about that. So I held one contract into today, and literally at game time, I was at 106%. I hit the home run. Love it when the plan comes together. I was ready to get into the next thing, which I did. I'm playing SoFi, the $8 strike. My BITF was also printing. Didn't hit the home run on that one, but I completely sold out. Today was such a bullish day. I have no idea what's going to happen. But once I hit 120%, I got out of the play, selling all of my contracts at $100 and all my portfolios, and then I was done. but I kept watching it, and EVGO was a monster today. I could have hit like 250% if I stayed in the trade. It is what it is, but that's literally what we did. When I get into the play, I share the catalyst and why. And when I get out of the play, I share it with the team as well. And all of that you can have if you get access to the Pride. And we would love to have you, so you can come eat with us. We hate to eat alone. With that said, I'm going to jump into the technicals. Cool. So you can see my trend all the way from 5th of July. Every time it bounced up, it came back to my trend line. The bulls came in and pushed it out. It came back to my trend line. The bulls came in and pushed it out. Came back to the trend line. Bulls came in and pushed it out. It actually stopped right there at support 811, and then it went all the way. But this was yesterday. Yesterday was a bearish day because the market was preparing for CPI data. We completely hate uncertainty in the markets. And because we didn't know what the print was going to be, there was a lot of money being pulled out of the market. I saw this and I listened to the earnings call from EVGO. Once I saw that the results were really, really good, it traded to a low of 888, 885. So what I did was I played the $9 strike going into 2 weeks. I knew that the bullish momentum will ride, but inflation data was either going to make it very, not as bullish. But today we had this amazing result because it wasn't bad. Inflation was, but it wasn't bad. And so today we pushed all the way, broke through ice, hit 1080, closed above ice. So I'm looking to see a continuation. However, nothing goes up forever. We're looking at an RSI that's almost at 70. So I can see this one either trading sideways above my ice line, which would be super bullish if it consolidates above ice. We can see a push to 14. I'll also be looking for a retracement down to this particular trend line, at which point I would definitely be looking at the position on my calls. And that would be EVGO going into the future. If it breaks down below my trend line, then we're looking at the bears taking over. But for now, this was a super bullish trade. Everything looked great. Great catalyst. Earnings came out. The setup was perfect. I was in, I was out in 24 hours with the bag. Well, that's it. If you like content like this, smash the like and subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out. If you would like to see our trades before we get into them, when we get into them, when we get out, then click the link below. Come join the family. We would love to have you. You can follow my journey from 0 to 100K on Simba's trial on my smallest portfolio. With that said, it's Muphasa El Matador. Peace.